Provide privacy for the voters visiting your precinct with our cardboard voting booths. Our booths are great to have on hand to quickly add tables for overflow voters. Our voting booths can be used as privacy shields for classroom testing or mock voting. With our largest voting booth, the 24-inch tall tabletop model, you can do it all. This voting booth is 24 inches tall, 28 inches wide, and 26 inches deep. It creates a great environment in the precinct or classroom for privacy. The voting booth is available in 3 colors: craft brown with a black interior, or white on both sides. They're guaranteed to sit level and have rounded corners for your voters' eye safety. Our voting booths easily store flat and can be stored in their shipping carton. We've been selling voting booths to precincts and schools for almost 20 years. We guarantee our products, and they're made in the USA. Be ready for voters with our durable and reusable voting booths. Visit our website at privacyshields.com.